This is our first day together, and I'm really so excited to partner with you on this course.
5 actionable steps to effective communication.
Before anything else, I need a small commitment from you. The activities and exercises we shall discuss in this lesson and the next ones to come, you will bring them into your life. It's not mandatory to exactly copy. If you want to be really creative, you can make some modifications depending on your convenience and personality. Ready? Let's go.
But first off, ask yourself a couple questions.
Why would you like to better the way you communicate? And what benefits are you going to gain with improved communication at work and in personal life? Did you just say to send the message across, to inform, to entertain, to persuade, or to win people on our side? Well, yes, all these answers are absolutely right. However, I suggest grab a pen and a paper, write down all the answers. Take a note of everything that comes to your mind when it comes to learn effective communication skills. Now keep this paper handy with you and refer to it every now and then. These answers will help you find a motivation each day to learn this most crucial skill. Done? Great. Here comes the action step 1. Build on your confidence. Having done the above exercise, we can now move on with confidence. Confidence, a must-have on the way to acquire great communication skills. People often come ask me how they can make lasting first impressions. Well, that's a great question, really. First impressions are made in the first 3 seconds of an interaction. Yes, people usually have this bad habit. You won't even utter a word and they will judge you on the basis of what you show about yourself. And the key element they see above everything else is your confidence. People are naturally equipped to sense your level of confidence. Your confidence is communicated more through your non-verbal signals than your verbal language. Like how much at ease you are with yourself, what is your standing or sitting position, how good is your eye contact, and how you present yourself, etc.
In this lesson, I'll talk about 3 out of plenty of ways you can use to enhance your level of confidence. Number 1, know yourself. When we really know ourselves deeply, validation by others hardly matters to us. I'm saying this with my own personal experience. To know yourself better, take some time off. Sit in a quiet environment, relax completely, and try to answer the following questions. This process would help you find new and meaningful perspective about your life. Do this once a month or at least every 3 months. Go a bit deeper into yourself and ask, what are your core beliefs and values? Why do you do what you do? This one is a real eye-opener. Answering this honestly would give you a lot of perspective and your communication style would be definitely enhanced. What different roles you play in life? Are you satisfied with the way you play each role? How would you define your philosophy in life in one sentence? Well, for me, it's live life on your own terms. How do you spend your time? What are you doing when you're not working? If time and money were not issues, what would you do with your life? What would the ideal you look and feel like? Number 2 is set yourself on the path of self-development. Learning and development should be an ongoing process and should never stop for every individual. It keeps us focused, determined, and enthusiastic. So learn new skills, go out of your usual network and meet different new people. Read good and deep books that make you think. Develop yourself each day a little more. And why not start from today? Let's do it. It's truly fun and super booster for your confidence.
And the last one here, make your success plan. I often meet folks with lots of aspirations but no real and concrete plan of action to meet their goals. Making a goal is no good if you don't have an execution plan to achieve it. So do some paperwork, list your desires, dreams, wishes and goals, review each item in the list and think hard about how you can make it real. Write the steps you need to take to accomplish each one. Do this often, be flexible, but please don't fear leaving your comfort zone. Commit to this plan. This is not something ordinary, this is your success plan. Woo! Time for taking the challenge. Well, the challenge is to make a deliberate effort to feel and show confidence at each occasion, be it a meeting, presentation, conference, or just a one on one talk. Your confidence will surprise everyone, including you. You can do it, and not just for a day, but every day.